Gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask off, fuck your mask off, mask off, fuck your mask off.
Hey guys, it's me Maya again. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And today I have such a fun video. I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different ways to draw on fake freckles. And this is perfect because summer is right around the corner. Well, not exactly here in Canada because spring hasn't even come yet. It literally snowed like 2 days ago and it's April. How sad is that? Anyways, but for the rest of the world, summer is right around the corner, so this is perfect because in the summertime people like to draw on fake freckles or enhance their own. So yeah, I have 5 different ways that you can draw on oh my god, I can't even say the word, fake freckles onto your face, and a lot of these things you should have at home, and they're super easy and super quick because I've seen some of the other YouTubers do this video, but the way they've been doing it takes such a long time and it's not really efficient. So these ones are super quick and easy to do as well. So yeah, if you are interested, please do subscribe. Sorry, my hair is like such a mess. It's so ugly right now and I don't even know how to deal with it. Can hair type change like drastically, like super quickly? Because I even used to having like straight thick hair, but like all of a sudden my hair likes to be curly. I had it in like a bun for like such a small amount of time and now it's like curly. And anyways, I'm sorry. That was my little rant. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on started. I think I'm going to film the rest of this up here so you can see the makeup a bit. Is this too bright? I don't know. Golden hour's coming up. Yeah, I'm filming here. So yeah. Okay, if you couldn't understand what I said in that last clip, I'm gonna film up here because I like the lighting a lot better here. I never really film up here, but like this lighting, but like if I go like this it might be too bright. I don't, whatever. Let's get started. So to do any of these you're going to need some like eyebrow pomade, eyebrow cream, like brown eyeshadow, face paint, but what I'm using and what I recommend is this cream contour kit. Sorry, the lighting. Ooh, okay, there we go. The cream contour kit, because it's so easy to apply and then usually it comes with a lot of different colors to choose from, so you can pick what matches your skin tone the best. And throughout this whole video I'm going to be using these 3 shades here on the side, and I recommend using more than 1 shade of color so then it looks as natural as possible. So yeah, I'm going to be using this contour cream palette throughout the whole video. Yeah, so I'm going to start off with the method I've been using the most, but this is something that you may not have at home, but the other 4 methods are using things that you definitely do have at home, and it gives a similar effect to this. So basically it's this like little stippling sponge. I'm pretty sure I got it in like a face painting kit from Halloween, but yeah, you may have one of those from a face painting kit, but if not, don't worry, there's some more methods coming up. But this one, I really like how the freckles turn out at the end. It gives me the effect I really like. And by the way, these all have different like effects, so you can pick the one you like the best depending on like what kind of freckles you like the best. Oh, this is really random, but by the way, I've been trying to grow out my eyelashes and eyebrows. If you want me to make a video on that, please comment down below because honestly, it's actually been working and I'm kind of shook. Anyways, so yeah, let's get started. So all I'm going to do is take the stippling brush and stippling sponge, and I'm going to dip it in the lightest color and gradually go darker and darker.
Gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask off, fuck your mask off, mask off, fuck your mask off, Percocet, minus Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, 2 cups, toast out with the gang, from full steps to a whole nother domain, I'm a living proof, so ain't compromising, $500,000 on the coupe, drug houses.
So now I'm going to take my fingers and just dab it like this, and just to make it look a lot more natural. And yeah, you can also use a sponge at the step. So yeah, these give you like really cute like small freckles and it looks super natural. Yeah, this one is my favorite, but we have more coming up. So yeah, to top it off, you can just add a bit of setting spray and then you're good for the day. So yeah, that is this one. I just have like my everyday makeup look, by the way, on already, so I'm just putting that over top my everyday makeup. So yeah, so the freckles are off and I'm back to my normal self, but this next method here gives you a pretty similar effect to the first method, and it's actually using a toothbrush. So I'm just using a toothbrush I think I got from like a hotel. But basically, oh, the sun is kind of melting my contour palette. Alrighty. I'm going to be using the same method, and I'm just going to take it and stipple it onto my face.
Mask off, fuck your mask off, mask off, fuck your mask off, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, 2 cups, toast out with the gang, from food stamps to a whole nother domain.
So we're done the second method here. It gives you a look of like really small, very, very, very natural looking freckles. I also really like this look. It's really similar to the first one, but I think these freckles are even a bit smaller than the first one. So yeah, this is the second method. Anyways, this next one here gives you bigger freckles, which is not what we've been doing before. So, and this is the third method, and it's using a spoolie. So this is like an eyebrow spoolie to like brush out your eyebrows. So yeah, and this gives you the look of bigger freckles, and I'm going to be using the same method from all the other ones so far.
Fuck your mask off, mask off, fuck your mask off, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no guillotine, drink from Melton, drink, taking beans, go to those extremes, let's go, it's Carla Rain, Carla Mari wins, parlay in Vegas, we was in attendance, before the business, leave the door lenses.
So this is the finished look. You get a little bit more of like a spread out kind of big freckled look, as you can see. But I don't know if you saw in the past clip, but it gives you like big splotches everywhere. So what you have to do, what I did, sorry, I don't know if you can hear my family, but they're super loud. Anyways, what I did after is I took a beauty blender and just like dabbed it on it a little bit. And yeah, so it gives you, make sure you do that though, because I don't know if you saw, but there's like little spirals everywhere on my face. So after you blend it out, you get like this like nice tan looking underneath, and then little bits of freckles everywhere left out. So yeah, I also really like this. It looks super natural. And yeah, it gives you like a nice like sun glowed look. So yeah, that was number 3. Let's move on to number 4. So for method number 4, we're going to be using a thin brush like so, and we're just going to take a bit of the product and splash it around on my face. So this is something that is not as natural looking as the other ones. It gives you more of a, just through that, it gives you more of a defined freckled look.
Guillotine, drink from Melton, drink, taking beans, go to those extremes, let's go, it's Carla Rain, Carla Mari wins, parlay in Vegas, we was in attendance, before the business, leave the door lenses, no prescriptions, focus on the mission, intermission, never take a break, we can switch states, switch our fireplace, ain't no way, ain't no fucking way, contemplate, we didn't contemplate, raw the bank, we gon' raw the game, they game, we game.
So this is the finished look of this method, and as you can see, it has quite of a different look compared to the other ones. You can really see the freckles, like it's really defined. You could keep it like how I had in the 2 scenes before, but in the last scene, as you can see, I just dabbed it with my fingers just to make it look a lot more natural, and I really like this look. I think it's super cute. So yeah, it's a lot more defined. So the last and final method, which is method number 5, is using a bobby pin, and you're going to use just like the tip of the bobby pin, dip it in the product, and spread it around your face. So this is definitely like the least natural looking out of all of them, but if you are maybe doing something for like a Halloween costume, or if you really like bold freckles, then I definitely recommend this method.
Steps to a whole nother domain. I'm a living proof, so ain't compromising. $500,000 on the coupe. Drug houses, looking like a roof. Graduated, I was overdue. I'm a pink Molly, I can barely move. Ask about me, I'm gonna bust a move. Red James, 33 chains, Ocean Ave, cruising big.
So we're done all the freckles. This was the last and final method, and as you can see, it's really, really very defined freckles, so it's not really natural looking, but I think it's super cute if you are going for that look, or if you're doing it for like a costume. So yeah, those were all 5 of those methods, and we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed oh, this is maybe a little less bright. I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 different ways to do freckles. If you did, please do subscribe and like this video, and comment down below if you try using this method, or if you have freckles, or if you want freckles. Yeah, and also please let me know if you liked that music that I used throughout this video. I actually really liked it. I was just listening to it. It's like super calming and chill, but it also like has some good beats in it. Yeah, let me know if you liked it, because I really liked it. So yeah. Oh, one more thing. Please let me know if you would like a tutorial for this like glowy eyeshadow and brow kind of look. I would love to do it for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!